a journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. Today's maintenance involves replacing batteries in the furnace thermostat and replacing the water and air filters in the refrigerator. These maintenance requirements occur during the same week and in winter. I'm concerned as there is a risk of physically damaging the thermostat. The opportunity to clean the thermostat is too tempting to resist, thus affects the thermostat performance. Before removing the thermostat from the wall, a quick wipe with a disinfectant dampened paper towel. It is important to replace the batteries with the correct battery. The Honeywell thermostat uses alkaline batteries as noted on the thermostat. Non-alkaline batteries were initially installed and lasted about a year and a half. Doing this maintenance yourself does have its benefits. A gentle pull gives access to the batteries. Some additional cleaning, removing dust from the unit using a blowgun. Removing the old batteries takes a small prying force. I refrained from patting the batteries loose. A quick battery swap with alkaline batteries and then reassembly of the unit. Expect the behavior of the heating system to change. The system will take a while longer than usual to respond. A quick test of emergency heat. As soon as the system responds, the test ends. When using a heat pump with a heater, increase the temperature by 2 degrees at a time from the room temperature to the desired temperature, and in my case, the room temperature is 67 degrees and the desired temperature is 72 degrees. Why is this important? The heater uses plenty of power as compared with the heat pump. If there is more than a 2-degree temperature difference between room and set to, both the heater and heat pump will be used. Too bad about the cost. The heat from the heater feels very good. Toasty! Time to change the water filter and air filter. The refrigerator displayed a reminder for water filter replacement and shortly after for air filter replacement. The air filter keeps the air in the fridge fresh. The marketing for some filters says they keep the odors and taste separate. The water and air filters are inside the fridge and are easy to reach. The housing was opened by pressing the sides and ever so slightly pulling down. The filter appeared to lower itself. Turning the water filter anti-clockwise released it. It took a little time to judge the force needed. There was a little drip of water. The old is out and now to install the new. A quick check to ensure the new filter is not damaged, and with a clockwise motion, in it goes. The spill is then cleaned up. And now for the fresh air filter. A slight twist anti-clockwise with force applied at the sides releases the trim. The filter is on the back of the trim. A quick clean before reinstalling the fresh air filter trim. That was fun. The next step is to reset the filter change reminders. This is done with a long press. The filter has to be flushed before it produces potable water, about 16 cups. But first, more cleaning. Be back in about a minute. A digression to thoughts on the preparation aspects of a project. Preparation is seldom mentioned, and so moments like this allow presenting such information. To convert the garage to a living space, a footing has to be installed. The old footing has to be removed. The footing displayed is for the garage center post. With a new footing comes a new wall subject to a version of the 2015 International Residential Code. The wall has to be insulated to R21. Old walls are insulated to R13. The footing being installed is very different from the existing one. The footing being installed will be reinforced with rebar. This is not the case for the footing shown, which I am happy about as removal is easier. To get to this stage, outside of the permits required, a temporary wall had to be constructed. The garage area had to be cleared. The finished areas of the house had to be sealed off. Preparation takes time, money, and is silent. The water is cloudy. Keep flushing. The water is looking good, crystal clear. Lastly, M18 needs to stock up on filters for the next round of maintenance. The day is won.